Welcome back to my channel. This is Limi. Today I'm gonna be making the original butter cookies. That's the snack that we can never miss for holidays. My recipe is simple, easy, and also keep all the flavors and the texture. We only need 5 ingredients: all-purpose flour, egg, the room temperature butter, and the 2 kinds of sugar, the granulated sugar and the confectioner sugar. And of course, I'm gonna using this piping tip to shape the cookies. And as usual, I will put all the ingredients and their measurements down below for you to follow along at home. And now let's get started. This is 5 tablespoons of room temperature butter. Use whisk to beat it up until they are separated. Add 1/3 tablespoon of sugar. This is granulated sugar. And add 3 tablespoons of confectioner sugar. And continue to beat them up. Now, the butter, the color turns a little bit white, and you can see the texture is a little bit like feather. Then it's ready to add the egg, but we are gonna to beat the egg first. Just beat the egg. We're gonna add the egg to this butter mixture for 3 times. So every time 1/3 of the amount. And continue to beat them up until they are well combined. Second time. And beat them. Add the rest of the egg. Continue to beat until they are well combined. Now we sift this 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour into the batter mixture. And use spatula to combine them together. Now our dough already forms. Now transfer the dough to the piping bag. Now it's winter time and it's hotter than the summertime to push the dough. Okay, great. Now we're gonna line up the parchment paper in the baking sheet. Such an exercise. Because it's winter, the dough is kind of cold, so I use my hand to warm it up several times. And now they're ready to be baked off at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Wow, they're looking so good. I will let them sit aside to cool down for a while. They are so beautiful, and these homemade ones are the best Christmas cookies. Let's have one. It's fluffy and crumble. It's so good. It's a little bit different than what is sold in store. In the center is a little bit soft, and it's full of the buttery flavor that is irresistible. And here is a tip to pack the dough to the parchment paper, because in the winter time the dough is cold, so warm up your hands and warm up the dough for several times to help you piping. Okay, I want to have finished them all, but if you like this recipe and if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and also comment down below, and please subscribe me for more, and happy holidays. See you real soon. Bye.